Good evening. I bet you're never going to guess the words that are going to come out of my mouth. This is going to be one of the very last times that I clean the girls' room like this. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, because we're going to do a room makeover. They're going to get all new furniture, and we're going to get new organization for the toys and for the clothes. So I hope you guys are excited for that. So this is one of the last times you'll see me clean like this. It was a complete mess. This was a little box that they made, like paper cutouts from coupons and stuff like that. And like they just had cardboard and everything everywhere since they haven't been able to use electronics. So they've been getting good use out of like crafting and stuff like that. So that's why this mess is this way. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clean the whole back of the house today. And so the next time that you see this room, hopefully it will be while we're doing the makeover. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat.
Ow! Ah! Oh my God! This beat is death! Jesus!
I could stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. The night is young. We do it on repeat. So are you happy now? Things just got so crazy from a simple maybe. It was a long way down. I just feel so heavy without you. Everything we were was just so pretty, pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on and on, flashing up like disco lights on and on. The dance floor where I met you, I dance all alone. Nothing left to prove, yeah, I'm dancing till my feet can feel the ground. Wishing I still dance with you. feet can feel the ground.
So I don't think you've seen our bedroom in a while. It is still a work in progress, unfortunately, but we did decide to do the girls' bedroom makeover first. So our bed frame is actually broken on one side, but we're making it work for now. We're down to one dresser in here, and as soon as we get all the new storage and stuff, we will have all these small dressers and all the containers away from the wall and all that. So yeah. Sometimes even the things we have we may not want, but don't forget to appreciate what you have, because it's definitely done well enough to get you through. And if you don't specifically love your space, I'm going to encourage you to declutter and have less things, so that way you just feel a little bit better, a little bit more headspace to think, and that'll just get you through. Because remember, everything can't be done at one time, and that's okay. Just be patient and give yourself time.
You say you're fine, but I can see right through. You're holding your secrets.
And that's a wrap. So thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you next week.
With everything they do, this can't keep going on. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lion.